Most production managers start their day with one nagging question: what happened while I wasn't on the floor? Without real-time insight, the first hour is often spent chasing information, refreshing dashboards, checking emails, asking operators if anything went wrong overnight. And even when something is caught early, it's not always clear what caused it or how serious it is. Machine alarms can be vague, logs take time to interpret, and too often, only a couple of people truly understand what's going on. Imagine you're starting your shift as a production manager with DataQI. Right away, insights give you a real-time overview of every line and every machine. No walkarounds, no waiting for operators to escalate issues. This morning, you notice a drop in availability on machine A32. This machine has been causing recurring disruptions due to spindle load alarms. And DataQI highlights that the issue has returned overnight. With a single click, you drill into A32 to investigate further. Here on the machine detail page, you immediately see the full context of what happened. DataQI automatically calculates and visualizes time loss drivers. Looking at yesterday's data, the Pareto chart makes the root of the problem obvious. Spindle load stoppages again represent the majority of downtime. The event timeline tells the same story. Instead of manually piecing together alarms and logs, DataQI stitches events into a single, easy-to-read narrative. When we zoom out to the last 7 days, a pattern jumps out. You can see a cluster of similar stoppages beginning right after a maintenance event. This is exactly the kind of insights that's hard to spot when teams rely on manual checks and isolated spreadsheets. With the issue now confirmed as recurring, it's time to dig deeper. To understand why these stoppages are happening, not just that they're happening, we switch to DataQI Assistant. The Assistant is connected to the machine's manuals, technical documentation, historical incidents, and internal maintenance logs. So I could simply ask, what typically causes spindle load alarms on A32, and what should we check first? Instantly, the Assistant returns a clear explanation, grounded in the exact documentation our maintenance team uses. It highlights likely causes, recommends inspection steps, related past incidents, and even references the sections in the manual where that information came from. This not only shortens diagnosis time, it also makes conversations with maintenance far more productive because everyone is working from verified shared knowledge. Now that I understand the issue and its context, I'm ready to ensure we stay ahead of it. Agent. From here, I configure a DataQI agent to continuously monitor A32 for the early signals of a spindle load issue. The agent works in the background as an intelligent coworker, always watching machine data, detecting anomalies immediately, and alerting me or the maintenance team long before the problem becomes downtime. Because it's connected to Assistant, the alerts aren't just notifications. They come with contextual explanations, probable root causes, and recommended actions, pulled directly from our manuals and historical data. From visibility to understanding, to autonomous action, DataQI closes the loop and transforms a recurring source of unplanned downtime into a predictable, manageable, and ultimately preventable issue.